Hi, I'm going to see if I can fix this turd. It's a HL-3150CDN and it says replace waste box. To replace the waste toner box, blah, 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 blah. Refer to the user guide, whatever. So this is a rather old printer, but it's the one that we use at home. So I took it out, gave it a shake, gave it a clean, all the usual stuff, and I couldn't get it to do anything, so I got a new waste box for it. They weren't particularly cheap, but I thought, I'll just replace the waste box. Stupid me. Turns out, nah, wah, 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 wah. No, that was a stupid thing to do, because this thing apparently has this series of Brother printers has a known issue with the reliability of the waste box detector thing. But anyway, I bought the new waste toner box. I put it in there. I'll show you in a sec. And the same thing. So this is with the new, brand new, factory original, right? Factory original toner box, waste toner box. So anyway, I'm going to take out, these are all the cartridges, right, for all the different colours. It's this newfangled colour thing. And so take all those out. And yes, I do use third-party toner cartridges with it, and then the drum is like all part of that, but you can just replace the toner or you can replace the drums. Anyway, down in here we have ourselves that's the transfer tray, or whatever you call it, the paper handling transfer tray thingamabob. So let's get that out of there. And down in here, this is the waste toner box, right? So this is just a little clip, and waste toner box. Let's have a look, right? So this is the brand newie. And apparently, one of the issues with these is that the little sensor thing in here, which determines whether it's full, it actually breaks a contact in here. And I'll open that and show you. And apparently, these two contacts across here are the ones that actually tell it. It should be shorted. So if the waste toner box is good, these two pins here should be shorted. I'm not sure this one's actually used for anything. Yeah, and it detects that, obviously. It's got some, and if you have a look down in there you go. There's the three contacts, and they're a pushy push. Oh, I think I found it. I think I found the problem. Oh, I didn't notice this at home. Can you notice it? Can you notice it? I was about to, what I was going to do for this video was actually get a jumper link and actually short out these two pins. Because, look, that one's not sticking out as far as the others. Or is that no, is that my imagination? Or has it just come good now? Anyway, it's got those, I don't know. Oh, will it actually work? Because I swear, that was pushed in. That was pushed in a bit further than the others before, I swear. Anyway, Anyway, there you go. There's inside that little thing, and there's your two wiper contacts. You can see those, and there's this metal thing here, which this is just a spring which just, sort of flips that around. And something down inside this box, when it's full, it flips this around, and these contacts become unmated, and these go off to the pins on the side here. And if I measure those, you can see that is shorted just fine. Well, yep, shorted just fine. So this new box is okay, but apparently there is an issue with these, and if you've got a waste toner box and you get in this message, apparently you can just fix that, well, you have to sort of clean the thing. You can actually clean the thing out. You can put it in a bag and you can do it. Anyway, there's videos of that on YouTube, but yeah, so anyway, it is not that apparently, so it's got to be the two contacts inside the thing, although it could be something else, like a circuitry inside, something like that, but I'm doubting it, right? So it's likely that it's those dodgy contacts. So it's likely these dodgy contacts down in here. So I'm not entirely, so you can't see them once it's in there. You can't see the damn thing. And yeah, all you've got to go by is that, well, I don't know, maybe it's making contact. And yes, I have actually cleaned those. I've got some, cream cleanser and stuff on there. And you can actually clean them, but they're, I don't know, pull them out. See, there could be a dodgy contact inside. In fact, I'll measure those. I'll measure that just to see if there's something on the end of that. Yes, there is. So 18 meg, so, you know, like that's going into, I don't know, some sort of, you know, detector, whatever, right? But it is actually, there's something connected to it at least. I'm not sure what it's supposed to be, but there's something there, so that's okay. All right, I've just put it back together. Let's see if this turd works. Now, I did actually get it to work once, but it only worked for printing one page, and then it came up with the same error again, so might have to repower. I don't know what the deal is. But, come on. No, yeah, no. Come on. Doing all sorts of weird stuff. Come on. Oh! Oh, look at that! It works! Woohoo! It looks like, yeah, me just fiddling around one of those contacts could have been pushed in, perhaps, and then just didn't spring back out. I don't know. It's bloody dodgy as. Anyway, but as I said, this has worked before for like one page, but anyway, I'm going to let me print something. How do you use this bloody menu system? Machine info, paper tray, general setup, print menu. Demo print. I'll do a demo print. Come on, you can do it. So, something is dragging the paper. I can hear it. It's coming out. It's coming out. Demo print complete. It works, and it hasn't given me the message yet, but that works a treat. But you watch, right? No, yeah, no, it's okay. It's okay now. Okay, so much for that. I thought I'd get in there like with some, like, just some wire or something and just short out those contacts. So, like, so that'd be my next step. If this happens again, I'm just going to get in there with those two things, just wrap some bloody wire around that thing, and then just, like, short out those two contacts. I don't want to have to, like, take out, I don't know how you get the side panels off to access, like, the PCB in there or whatever. There's probably just wiring going off or something. So, yeah, you know, you can get in there and just snip the wires and just twist them, and Bob's your uncle, right? But, yeah, that's... you watch. I bet you I'll put this thing... It's in the lab at the moment, because I was going to bring it here and then swap it with a one of the printers that I've got here. But, no, I'll take this back home. But you watch. Just the vibration, putting it in the car and driving it back home will cause it to come agutsa again, I bet you. Anyway, yeah, so dodgy sensors... inside dodgy waste box sensor. Leave it in the comments down below if you've had this on your Brother printers. Apparently it's notorious, and there's a bunch of YouTube videos like showing you how to get around this. Apparently I didn't know at the time, but yeah, apparently it's a thing. Bloody printers. Hate printers. Catch you next time.
Your ass with the resolution.